Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your charger port / AUX on your Bose QC Ultras. And the two tools you'll need for today, very simple, Phillips 1.5 screwdriver and any kind of tweezers, just so you can remove the ribbons and hold them in place. It's a little bit easier, especially because I got big fingers. So first you want to start off with taking off the ear pad, which it's sitting on clips, so you just grab it from any side, nice and slow, one at a time. Once you get one side off, boom, nice and easy. Then remove this. There'll be tape here and here. I have the tape taken off just because it's annoying and just wanted a faster process, but there'll be tape here, here, and here, holding it down. Then you got 4 screws to take off. We have these on our website, simple. We also have these, which I'll be using today because it just makes it a lot faster for the video's sake. Unscrew these screws right here. Boom. And just pry this up a little bit. It'll come right off. To make this easier, what you can do is you'll see in here, there's a little ribbon right here. You pop this black tab up and just pull this out. It just makes it easier to get to the charger port / AUX board, which is right here. Then you want to unscrew these 2 screws on the board itself. And then I use my tweezers just to pry on things, move out of spot. Looks like there's a little bit of tape right here. Be careful getting rid of this tape, because right here, I'll show in the video, there's a little plastic piece, which is your LED light, which pops out right there. Get that focused. So don't get rid of this piece, just pop it up. You'll be reusing that. Then there's some glue on the board itself, which you can use tweezers, nice and easy. Pop it up. Or the fastest way to get rid of this glue is heat. So just a little bit of heat.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
And then the glue should come off. Come right up. A lot easier than before. You take that off. So you can pull this tape off to put it on your new one. You take that off. You grab your new one. Then you place that tape right back on, right over this. If I can zoom in, that little LED light right there, make sure this is close enough to it, kind of aligns with it. See the plastic and the LED right there and right there. And you could use hot glue to secure this back down, but it shouldn't need to be secured as long as you do the repair properly and screw it in all properly. You want to pop this back on the board. And it should just clip in nice and easy right there. You place this back in, and as you're doing that, you find the position first for the LED light. This is why I use one of these. Makes the job a lot easier. Which, you know, aiming this in there is gonna be a little tough, but you can check if everything's aligned right here. Get in frame, make sure everything's aligned, make sure the plastic is sticking out. See, I do not have it in spot right now. So what I will actually do is screw it in. So the charger port and the AUX are in place and do not move. Just make things a lot easier. Now, getting this in the hole is gonna be a little more difficult than I thought. And you can tell right there, right there, you can see that little plastic, and then really hard to tell right there. It's in, that's when you know it's in and it's good. Now, use your tweezers, plug this back in to this tab, or this ribbon, and then you close it. Close the tab. See, won't come out of spot. Now it's good. and you just place this back on, and you know it's on mainly by this middle screw. You'll see that gold in there. Just line that up perfectly. Make sure when you look at each side, it's not, one side's not lifted like this, you know, out of place like this. You want it flush. Then it's as easy as screwing all the screws back in. Then you manually tighten it all the way just to secure it in 100%, and nothing underneath is moving. Just recheck your work. Boom, everything's lined up. You can test it by plugging in a charger to make sure. Well, honestly, it would have been smart to try that earlier when it's first in, but charger's in, perfect. You can see the light as well. That means you did a great job. And just put a piece of tape right here, and right here. Thank you, Bose. And even right here to secure this back in place. And cool thing about the Bose, well, these Bose, the Ultras, everything's on clips for the ear pads, so it's as easy as that. And just again, these are tools you're gonna need: a 1.5 Phillips screwdriver, some tweezers, and optional tools is hot glue. I didn't glue it down because I believe I did repair really good, but just in case, you could glue down the ribbon onto the charger port board just in case, and you might need some heat to take it off, or you can just slowly pry at it and it will come off. My job here is complete. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.